Hello Internet, I'm Jeff, and today we're going to be adding some more fans to my K62 Windows 98 PC. Alright, my fans showed up, so let's get them put in the case. Now, I already did replace the CPU fan and this side case fan, but I'm going to replace the fan on the Banshee graphics card. I'm going to add an exhaust fan right here. I'm going to put a couple of intakes here in the front. Here's a closer look at the graphics card while I have it out. This one's actually made by Diamond Multimedia. Appears to be in pretty good shape, but this fan is done. Alright, I got the new Noctua fan on there. Had to use some screws from my garage, but made it work. Would like to go find a different heat sink, because I should have took a video of it, but it's like recessed where this was. But should be alright. So now I got to splice the 3-pin down to the 2-pin so it'll connect into there. Alright, got the connector spliced, all hooked up, should be good to go. I think I'll get some heat shrink tape, kind of just make it look a little better than these little splicers. Alright, I threw some zip ties on there, cleaned it up a little. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing, but like I said, maybe I'll get some heat shrink and tidy it up a little bit, or maybe it'll just live like this for the rest of its life. Who knows? Alright, there it is, installed. Like I said, it does take up that other PCI slot, but that's okay. Still have another one available. I'm not sure what else I would put in here at this time, but I got this one mounted. I used these little grommet pull-throughs that came with the fan, and I have them both on this header up in there on a two-way splitter, so that should be good. Okay, got these two mounted in the front for some intake. There is a fan header here, but I didn't have a splitter to power them both, so they're both powered off these Molex connectors up here. Should bring plenty of fresh air into the case and help keep everything cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and run some benchmarks, and maybe we'll start overclocking this after that. Thanks for watching.